Trigonometry has developed a lot since the ancient days and today has become the most important branch of mathematics. Without studying trigonometry, scientists, mathematicians, engineers can do nothing. They will be totally helpless if their knowledge of trigonometry is less than required. Not only engineers, architects, and various other branches of engineering and technology regularly make use of trigonometry. So let us come down to the real subject, how to study trigonometry. Trigonometry, as we saw, deals with triangles. So let us start with the basics of a right angled triangle. Let us take a triangle which is right angled at one side, say B. So let me draw a big triangle here, ABC, right angled at B. Then I will start defining the basic ratios of trigonometry. I have drawn a triangle, a right angle triangle. I will show you in detail. A right angle triangle A, B and C. We now have a triangle ABC. It is right angled at B. BC is the base, like this, and A is at the top, apex, vertex. Triangle ABC is a right angle triangle because one of its angles is 90 degree. Let me define angle BCA as angle theta. Angle BCA, I am calling it as angle theta. Okay. So now let us start defining the three first very basic ratios of the trigonometry. To do that, first we have to name the sides of the triangle. Now since my angle is theta and it is at the side BCA, so I will call this side AB or BA as the opposite side. This side is my opposite side. Why am I calling it as opposite side? It is opposite to the angle theta that I have defined just now. And as we know very well, AC happens to be the hypotenuse. Why does it become hypotenuse? Because it is located opposite to the right angle. A side that is opposite to the 90 degree angle is always called as hypotenuse. 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 Then I will define BC, the side very next to this angle, as the adjacent side. Adjacent side BC, which is very next to the angle theta, is called adjacent side. The side that is opposite to the angle theta chosen here is called as opposite side. In this triangle of mine, AB is the opposite side and BC is the adjacent side. And we know very well that AC is hypotenuse. We have studied about the hypotenuse in our study of Pythagoras theorem also, where we know that square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. The other two sides being opposite side and the adjacent side. So this knowledge will help us in now defining the three beginning ratios of trigonometry. All the knowledge of trigonometry is hinged on the understanding of these ratios. So let us start here. I am going to first define sine theta. Sine theta, sine theta is equal to opposite side. I'll write only the first three letters to signify the opposite side divided by hypotenuse. I need not write the lengthy version of it. OPP divided by HYP should be sufficient. Opposite side by hypotenuse, or if you want to be more clear about it, AB by AC. AB by AC. Next, I would like to define cosine. Cosine theta is defined as adjacent side by hypotenuse. BC by AC. BC by AC. Further, we will define now tan theta. Tan theta shall be defined as opposite side by adjacent side. Tan theta is defined as opposite side by adjacent side. Let me write down tan theta. Opposite side by adjacent side, or AB divided by BC. This is how we define tan theta. Tan theta is defined as opposite side by adjacent side, or AB by BC in this triangle. Now, let us see once again just what we have learned. So, we took a right angle triangle ABC having 90-degree right angle at B. BC is the base and AB is the side vertical, and AC is our hypotenuse, something like this. AC is the hypotenuse. A, B and C. Then after knowing all this, see, we also defined the two sides. One side that is very close or lying next to the angle theta is called as the adjacent side. Then we defined the opposite side, which is really opposite to the triangle angle theta of this triangle. Then we also defined the side that is called as hypotenuse. Is the side that is always opposite to the 90 degrees. The side that lies opposite, right opposite to the 90-degree side would be called as hypotenuse. So we start defining the ratios. Please remember, they are just the ratios and otherwise they have no other meaning to them. Sine of angle theta is defined as the opposite side, that is the length of the opposite side AB divided by hypotenuse, length of the hypotenuse AC. So when we write OPP divided by HYP, it means we have to take the length of AB divided by length of BC. Next, we have defined cosine theta. Cosine theta, or in short just cos theta, is adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is equal to BC divided by AC. The word BC and AC define the lengths of my sides BC and AC. Finally, the third one and a very important ratio, tan theta. We are now defining what is tan theta. Tan stands for tangent. Tan is the short form of tangent. Cos is the short form of cosine. And sin sine is the short form of sine sine. We are studying tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent side, that is equal to AB by BC in this triangle. In this triangle which you are able to see, AB by BC, the length AB divided by length AC is the numerical value of tan theta. Tan theta is a ratio. Tan of angle theta, tan theta represents a particular fixed ratio and it has a very fixed numerical value. Same thing applies to sin theta as well as cosine theta. These three are ratios and they are very well defined and they are fixed for a particular angle of a particular triangle. Hence, we will continue this in our next module. Till then, bye bye, take care. This is Sham Pujar signing off. Thank you. Thank you so much.